Hey, if your Windows 11 feels like it's running through mud, and you open Task Manager and see Antimalware Service Executable eating up half your RAM or CPU, you're not alone. This is one of the most common complaints with Windows 11. Good news, there's a super simple fix that usually drops usage instantly and is completely safe when done right. Stick with me for the next 4 minutes and I'll show you exactly how to fix it. By the end of this video, you'll know why this happens and how to make your PC feel fast again. So why is Antimalware Service Executable as MsMpEng.exe slowing you down? Well, Windows Defender is actually good, but sometimes it does a bit too much. It can start scanning its own folder or get stuck on certain Windows processes. And when this happens, it starts using way more resources than it should. The official fix Microsoft recommends is tell Windows Defender to stop scanning itself. Okay, let's do this. It takes about 60 seconds. Press the Windows key and type Windows Security, then open it. Step 2. Click on Virus and Threat Protection on the left. Step 3. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click Manage Settings. Step 4. Scroll all the way down till you see Exclusions, and then Add or Remove Exclusions. Step 5. Click and add an exclusion, choose Process. Now type exactly this, MsMpEng.exe, just like it is on the screen, and click Add. Step 6. Then click Add an exclusion again, and this time choose Folder. Navigate to C, Program Files, Windows Defender, then select that folder and click Add. By adding these two exclusions, you're basically telling Windows Defender, hey, don't scan yourself or get stuck in a loop. Most people notice their RAM and CPU usage from Antimalware Service Executable drops dramatically within a minute or two. Now I know what you're thinking. Is it safe to exclude Windows Defender? Yes. When you only exclude its own main folder and executable, you don't set enough protection for the actual files. Windows Defender will still protect everything else normally. And whilst we're here are 3 more quick things that help Windows 11 feel faster. Turn off unnecessary startup apps. Right-click Start, Task Manager, Startup Apps, and disable anything you don't need. 2. Run a quick storage sense cleanup. Go to Settings, System, Storage, and then click Cleanup Recommendations. And make sure you're not in power saving mode. Click the battery or network icon and switch to balance or best performance. So that's it. Try the exclusion fix right now and let me know in the comments. Did your anti-malware service executable usage drop? If this video helped, drop a like. I've got more guides on the way and different tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.